Okay, I think we're done with the village. Yeah, so I think I finished it. Sorry, my family's in the back. Oh, wait, look. There's stuff. Oh, look, there's someone left. I think we should. Yeah, dude, you're done. Farmer, Grandpa Joe, you're done. Grandpa Joe, you lived. Grandpa Joe, you're done. Grandpa Joe, you're done. You're just done. You're done, Grandpa Joe. You're done. Grandpa Joe, you're just done. Like seriously.
Are you gonna love Grandpa Joe?
Yes, Dawson. Thanks for asking that question. So yes, now time. Okay, Grandpa Joe, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.